Welcome to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridot Abevia in association with Max. Now, behind me is a great set of panelists on our panel. You can see the father, W.G. Grace of cricket. Then we've got White Lightning Alan Donald, the Prince of Trinidad, Brian Lara, Mr. Hollywood himself, Shane Keith Vaughan, and the bop of all bops, Virat Kohli. So I hope that inspires our guys here, our contestants, to come up with some great names. In the meantime, let's start the show. Now, the favorite part of the show, the beginning, which is also where we introduce the team so I can have some fun. So let's start with Team Red. Kaun hai Team Red?
He's our skipper Rahul, left-handed batsman and ready to make a big score tonight.
She's Henna, she's our right-arm spinner. She's got a bamboozle with you with the bowling. And together we are Inside Edge.
Great stuff, but let's move now to our next team, Team Yellow.
Hello everyone, this is Alok, my husband, my better half, and he is a hardcore fan of cricket.
And she's Shalini, my wife, my life, and 7 years ago I got a bold on his hard Yorker, and today we are in real cricket quiz show, and together we are Team Yellow Yorker.
Yes.
Right arm, left arm?
I'm right arm, she is left arm.
Arey, kya baat hai? So far everybody's right-left mix. Fabulous. Very difficult to negotiate from two ends. Time for green.
Hi everyone. Please meet my husband, my best friend and my batting partner for the day, Aziz.
Hi everyone, this is Fatima. She's been my wife for the past 5 years. She's been my partner on the couch for the past 5 years, and together we are the Couch Potatoes.
Ah, nice. Couch potatoes. No inspiration from all the greats that I've given you. But in a way, there have been some larger-than-life cricketers who have names with the potato and all, but I won't get into that because it's disrespectful. So let's move on. Are we ready? Are we ready for the first thing which we call the googly? Your right arm off, so you won't understand this one. Googly. Okay, now in googly there are two parts, so pay attention. First part is called stargazing. All right, it's very simple. One person comes here from the team and looks at what's behind on the screen and gives hints in 45 seconds of all the different cricketers that turn up. There's a limit of 5 players per team. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points. 10 points. If the player gives the clues by taking the name, you make the mistake of actually saying the name, it's -10 straight away. If you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, very rare. It's almost like seeing a snow leopard. It's very rare, but you can do it. There'll be an added bonus of 30 points. Prepared? Ready? Simple. And take a look at the screen. Your time will start now. Go.
Jinx.
Ajinkya Rahane.
Yeah.
A nickname is fine. Chalo, keep going, keep going, keep going. Next. I'll give you 3 seconds back.
KKR bowler who went for the highest in the IPL, like foreign bowler.
Lockie Ferguson.
No.
Patrick Cummins.
Yeah.
Wow. Allowed. Next.
Sania Mirza's husband.
Shoaib Malik.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Superb. Next.
Rajasthan who won the Man of the Series twice.
Shane Watson.
Yeah.
Fantastic. 1 to go. 10 seconds.
Hardik's brother.
Krunal Pandya.
You're too good! You have been the best ever! Stop the game. The game is cancelled. You have won. Unbelievable. Like, a long time since we had this, like a grand slam. Well done.
Super.
Give her a big hand. Come on, guys. I was making fun, but they know their cricket, that's for sure. And I've just been told that they have got it in 29.4 seconds. A new world record in our little world.
Yes.
Well done. And watch the screen. 45 seconds, go. Your time starts now.
Indian cricketer, my brother name.
Oh, come on, that's easy, brother name.
जिसकी शादी है. Indian cricketer.
Indian cricketer.
Muslim.
Muslims. Mohammad Shami.
Yes.
Oh, very good, very good. Next, come on, keep going. Time is going. Agar nahi ho paega, go to the next. Think in your head fast. Next one, come on. Think. Okay, next one.
Australian player. Late.
Okay, last one.
Go for next.
Come on.
Go for next.
Indian bowler, which is last name.
Time up. You okay? 10 points. You got 1. You didn't get 4. And your time will start in 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds.
Okay, Krunal's brother.
Hardik.
Yeah.
Hardik Pandya.
Okay, next.
Okay, next please.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, He is. I think he plays for KKR. His second name sounds like a stationary item. What do you use with pencil? How do you erase it?
45 seconds.
In Hindi, what do we say it? Next, yeah, please.
Next.
Okay. South African, I think.
Yes.
His name is. His second name sounds like.
Yes.
Okay, please. Next, please.
Next, please. Arey.
Okay. Capital of US.
Washington Sundar.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And that's it. Time up.
Oh.
Close, close. I think you got 2.
Yeah.
You got 20 points. Well done.
Right.
Doesn't
Thank
matter,
you.
Green. You are 20. Let's quickly look at the scores. Red is 80. Huge lead. Yellow is 10. Still on the mat, but can recover. Green is 20, somewhere in the middle. Okay, that's where we stand. And that was part 1 of stargazing. We now raise the ante, so to speak, and go to stargazing mushkil baate, which means a very difficult degree of performance needed in this one. Because in this stargazing, you're actually gazing at not 1 but 2 stars. They're together in the picture. We put them together, and please remember they are connected. If you answer incorrectly or pass it, the other teams can also go for it by pressing their buzzer. So keep that in mind. The same rules will apply. You get 30 seconds as a team to crack the answer correctly. You get 30 points if you crack it. Incorrect answer gets you -10. But it carries over, so you can try somebody else's question. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. Is Team Yellow covering you? Team Yellow, can you just move a little? Yeah. One seems pretty obvious. Who's the second with? Remember the connection. I will try and give you a clue in a second. Hunting in pairs is the best clue I can give you.
Wasim Akram and Waqar Yunus.
God bless you, red personalities. Well done, you brother, sister. Superb, superb. Go on to 1-0. Take a look. 30 seconds. Again, एक तो obvious है. दूसरा कौन है?
Sangakkara and Mahela Jabardani.
Damn it! I don't want this job. It's too easy for you. It's too easy for you. एक बात बताओ. वो महिला कहाँ है इसमें?
No, he is a male but name is a Mahela.
You think of अच्छा, I got it. Oh. I apologize to Sri Lankan cricket. Please understand, in different cultures, languages, and all, there are different meanings to many things. This is purely accidental. Sir, आपने क्या किया? मैं PR करना पड़ेगा इसके बाद. But well done, guys. 30 points.
Thank you.
And that was the fastest in 2 seconds. You also knew?
Yes, yes.
You knew? Achha. Okay, go on. Cheers. Well done, well done. On 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. 30 seconds.
Ganguly and Dravid.
One second. That's your decision, or you want to just think?
No, 1 second.
Because I can give you a clue still.
Okay, I'll make a booking.
Yeah, and they are both leaders of men, known as leaders. Okay, you want to pass so you don't get
No, just
okay?
try, we'll try.
I know Ganguly is there. but,
Ganguly is there for sure.
Yeah, that we all know.
Yeah.
Leaders.
Is it John?
Yellow is going mad. They're jumping up and down like animals in heat.
What do you have
I don't know how to handle it.
Is it John Wright?
John Wright. Sir, this is a cocktail conversation for 15 minutes, yaar. We keep mentioning names.
actually.
We are having
Okay,
a little
that's
WhatsApp me. Yellow has pressed the buzzer. Yellow. Okay, so green, stay where you are. Yellow, your chance. You press
Yeah,
the buzzer.
Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid.
Sir, कौन सी show पे है, sir? He already mentioned that in the beginning, and we said no. We sort of said no. Red is pressed.
Ganguly and Steve Waugh.
You are greatest. The world's greatest. Not just, you're more than, I think, solar system ka greatest hai. Not world. Well done, Green. Not so good luck, but still in the show. Please go back. Red, you get another set of points. It's a lot for me to tally. And before we go into the second section, I have to figure that out. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take an Abhivya tea break quickly so we can digest what's happened so far, and then we'll come back. But when we come back, I'll give you the scores. Abhivya tea break right now. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridor Abhivya in association with Max. And of course, maximum points have gone to Team Red, batting at 140, guys. Huge score. Then we have at 25 points because you lost a little bit with that wrong answer in the last round, or rather the first round. So you come down to 25, Team Yellow, but still in the game. And Team Green, you're at 20. Couch Potatoes have to get up from the couch and perform as we go into the second round, which is called, by the way, Power Play. In the Power Play, it's called Crick Golf, the game that we've devised. Simple si baat hai, not very difficult. You can see that bat and ball. We will put in front of those stumps a small little cubicle. You have to try and hit like a golf shot into that hole. All right? That's what you have to do. Obviously, that's very difficult. So whoever comes closest to that will win. Now, before we actually begin, here are the rules for points. Pay attention. I'm reading it out so there's no mistake. Both the members from your team will putt. Take a chance to hit it. The closest team to the hole wins and you will get 20 points. Okay? But if any of you manage to put the ball in, you'll get a special bonus of 30 extra points. So 20 or 30, total 50. Okay, so remember that. Okay, are we ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, whenever you want. Go. Okay, not bad. But we are taking the final mark as the point.
Okay.
So, such batao, though, you actually almost touched that, which was close, but it's gone all the way back. There's a mark there. And now as she destroys our set out of anger and frustration, sportsmen are temperamental people. It can happen.
My bad.
We will now call the brother on. 3. Wait, whenever you're ready. 2, 1. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh, this is unbelievable. Today, go to the stock market and put all your money in the market. Today's the day. Boss, everything is going your way, yaar. Ready? And go. That. Bye-bye. 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 Game is over, ball lost. This happens when you play in subcontinental conditions sometimes. It happens a lot. Go when you're ready. Oh, no. Not too bad, but no. No. Okay. When you're ready. And... बल्ला उठाया और ये बिल्कुल 2 बाउंड्री के बीचों बीच में. Oh my God! Almost what I said. Unbelievable. This is damn good. This is very close, huh? If you can just put it in the words of the greatest Indian poet of all time, my friend Samir Saraya, tension so cool. Huh. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh, not bad. Oh, damn it. Not bad. So Team A, or rather Team Red, which I call Team A lovingly, pyar se, you all go from 140 to 160 because you scored 20. Bad news, Yellow, you all weren't able to get off the mark. There was a lot of power in the shot. Both of you all passed the bar there, but unfortunately no points, so 25. Am I right? 25 is where you stay. Correct me if I'm wrong. Team Green, Couch Potatoes, the couch is still your place. Sadly, very close. Really tough to say between one of you and one of them, but sadly, they still are in the lead. And not sadly, that's wrong. I won't say sadly. Just you are in the lead. You are not in the lead. You're also not in the lead. Let's be very clear. But let's have some chai. Let's discuss this. Nutridor Abevia chai break, as we call it, so people just get refreshed. And when we come back, really punch hard, guys. Because this third round, the final over, anything can happen. Unbelievable. Everybody in the world stops to watch this, including people who don't play cricket. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, brought to you by Nutridor Abevia and in association with Max. I pause. Nothing like a good cup of chai. And now, the final over. This is the buzzer round, obviously, and there'll be 10 questions. So hit the buzzer, answer the question, simple. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer. If the buzzer is hit while the question is being read out, the question won't be read out further. So you've been too quick, then I've only said one word, you have to live with that and try and answer. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. 10 points for every correct answer, -5 for wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. So carry over hai usme, you can carry over the question. Now, before we start, there's a free hit option. This is a very hugely, the biggest, most important point of the entire show, you can win from nowhere if you actually get lucky. I'll pause for a second when I say question 1 or question 2 or question 3. And if you want to take a chance to hit the buzzer, that means you've taken the free hit. If you hit the buzzer, your free hit comes into play. You will double your points if you answer correctly then. And if you don't, it'll reduce your score by 10 points. A bit like double jeopardy. You get more, but you get less as well. Let's start. Here it is. Question number 1. No free hit applied. Okay. A group of cricket fans of which nation, please listen carefully, are popularly known as the Blarney Army. मैं धीरे से बताता हूँ. Blarney. No, I don't want you to get confused because even I made a mistake in rehearsal. Blarney Army. Which country? Anybody? 10 seconds to answer. Don't want to take a chance? I would just like to know anyway. I know, you know, it's not, let's say points aren't there. You're all talking to each other. What do you think, Red?
Ireland.
Correct.
Not sure.
But why didn't you take a chance? You're so well ahead here. Unbelievable.
Because
Question 2. Free hit. Couch Potatoes have taken a free hit. It has got a bonus component. So it's make or break. Aziz has decided he's lucky so far. Let's see what happens. Which cricketer, Couch Potatoes, which cricketer has taken the most economical 5-wicket haul in one-day cricket history? Okay, I'll give you the options. Listen. Most economical 5-wicket haul. 5 for the least runs. Is it A, Courtney Walsh, B, Muttiah Muralitharan, C, Sunil Joshi, D, Wasim Akram? Walsh, Murli, Sunil Joshi, Akram.
Sunil Joshi.
Now we play the Shanai music. You know, they play at the funerals. Now it is open for other teams. So take out Sunil Joshi. Options are Wasim, Muttiah Muralitharan, Courtney Walsh.
Courtney Walsh.
Absolutely right, Red. As usual, you just listen to me. You're so lucky today, you just answer. There's nothing that can go wrong. Do you know what he got?
5 for 1, I think.
Wow, that's the bonus question. And he plugged it again. Unbelievable. What a streak. 5 for 1. Do you remember who against?
It might be Australia, but I'm not 100% sure.
It's Sri Lanka, but well done. So Team Red, you go from 160 to 180 with this thrilling performance. And honestly, they've not made a single mistake so far. It's just amazing. Ireland was correct earlier on and you didn't see it. Okay. Question number 3. Yellow has hit the buzzer. We've got some exciting news here. You have to look behind for this question, but it's only open to Team Yellow for now. So let's see. Look behind and identify whose bowling action this is. There's a bonus with it, yaar. So it's a good thing if you can get it right.
Danish Canada.
Danish Canada is a classical leg spinner. Red?
Paul Adams.
Get out of my house and never report back. Again, you're right. It's unbelievable. And you get the bonus. Do you know what name was given for his action?
Frog in a blender.
May I touch your feet? May I come there and hold your toes? May I tickle your feet? Unbelievable. Team Yellow and Green, please give them a big hand. They're just... I mean, I think that takes them well over 200. Wow. Okay, only free hit has the only free hit option available is to Team Red now. Yellow and Green, well tried. Unfortunately, didn't get it. Let's go to question number 4, which is not a free hit. Which Indian has scored the most double centuries in Tests and how many has he scored? Which Indian has scored the most double centuries in Test cricket?
Rahul Dravid, 6.
You finally get one wrong, but actually it's not even wrong because at one point he was the one with the most. But what that means is whoever came after that has gone beyond. Green, okay, Green.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli is the correct answer. He's got 7 double centuries. Bradman with 12, Sangakkara with 11, Lara with 9, and then Kohli with 7. And Cyrus Brocha with none. But that didn't come yet, not mentioned. But Bradman played only, 52 test matches, so just always keep that in mind. But guys, well done at the moment. Still in the game, I suppose. I'm supposed to say that. So Yellow and Green, you're still in the game. Red, you're doing really well. Question number 5. Free hit. Okay, according to COVID protocols, this is the question. According to COVID protocols, which ball management rule has been changed during COVID?
Spitting on the ball?
Yeah, no saliva can be applied on the ball. Fair enough. I'll give you the bonus that comes with it. What is the penalty upon violation after the warnings? You're given 2 warnings. What is the penalty imposed on the bowling side if they continue to put saliva? No negative marks, so take a shot.
-5 runs.
आ गया, तिमारी आ गया अभी. Unfortunately, starting late, but it's not over yet. Good fight from Green, suddenly coming into its own. And we go into question number 6. Listen, it's a quote by a very, very famous cricketer who said the following. I say it in a Jamaican accent, make it easier. Who said the following? I'm jealous of my parents. I will never have a kid as cool as theirs. I think it's better if I don't do the accent. It's a funny line.
Chris Gayle.
Chris Gayle, you win again. Look at Aziz's face. He's winning and feeling bad. It's a very strange thing. It's like a person earning money and not wanting it. Unbelievable. Okay, Chris Gayle is right. Question number 7. Free hit? Nahin? Okay. Question number 7. What is Rohit Sharma's jersey number for India? Green, you hit the buzzer, go for it.
45.
You are right. Suddenly Green has come, no? It's like that people who come late for parties and you're all waiting for to have dinner. They've come late and now we can eat. See? Wonderful. Question number 8. Sarji, ma'am. Well, what is the problem? You can take it anyway, na? Yeah. Okay, question 8. A question worth 20 points, by the way. This number 8 is worth 20 points. According to the laws of the game, what is the time stipulation mentioned for a time out dismissal? According to the laws... Wait, I'm giving you option. Okay.
3 minutes.
Huh?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Why did you behave like this in the beginning? We would have a proper contest.
I was on the couch.
You were on the couch.
Finally getting off.
He was very sluggish in the first half and now he's become a king. He just switched completely. 20 points for that, bro. You're coming back and they're coming back. Be careful. Maybe it's smart not to play that card. Okay. All right. Time for question 9. Complicated question because you have to look behind at a scorecard which will appear on the screen right now. Okay, it's a match summary between India and Pakistan, the famous 2007 ICC World T20, which ended with Shrishant catching Misbah, if you guys remember. Now, can you tell me the names that have been removed? The super performers whose names have been removed. Each one that you get right is 5 points, all right? For each one, it's 5 points. Red has hit the buzzer. All right, go ahead. Who are the 3?
So for India, it's...
Yeah.
For the 75, it's Gautam Gambhir.
Absolutely right.
For
5.
For Pakistan, it's Misbah ul Haq.
Absolutely right.
And for India, it's Shrishant.
Yeah, but you get 10. You get 10. So that's where you stand. So yellow ka chance hai. Yellow.
Yeah, this one is Irfan Pathan.
You are right. And वो 5 points आपको मिलेगा. Don't worry. 5 points go to you. I think Aziz and gang had it as well, but for whatever reason, hesitated. So nobody gets the bonus because it's a split performance. 10 and 5 is where we stand. I'll just tell you the bonus question anyway. Jogendra Sharma, who bowled the final over, what is his current profession? No points if you want to take a chance.
He's a policeman.
Haryana police officer. Sir, you are where you are. You should anchor the show. I should take part. All right, last question in this episode. You took the free hit? So you've done your maths. Let's wait a little bit. You've done your maths, haven't you? You've calculated. I know you're thinking. You have made sure you're safe. I'm 100% sure. So, okay, let's see. Remember, you can lose points on this one, 10 points as well. Question 10. Who bowled the super over for England in the World Cup final in 2019?
Jofra Archer.
In the words of A.R. Rahman, Ma tujhe salam. Because both the kids are superb. That's why. Excellent. Well done. What a show. What a performance. Red, green fighting back, yellow pitching in here and there. There's been some great stuff here. In a couple of seconds, we'll know who the winner is. Ha ha, as if we don't. And we will give away some prizes. All right? Okay, let's first see who came third then. Yellow team gets... Your final score after the entire show is 20 points. 20 points. Don't feel bad. 20 points to mila hai. I can tell you that's a great start. Green... You get a total of 80 points. It was 79. I gave 1 grace because of a good performance in the second half. 1 grace. And now the world champion for this episode, unbelievable. I think it's the highest score in a long time that I've heard in our format. 225 points. Red, winning by an innings defeat. From start to finish again, one of those horses that starts and just goes on and wins till the end. Red, what a fantastic performance. Please, green and yellow, let's appreciate. But thanks to our beautiful sponsors, everybody is going to feel happy when they go home. Everyone will get something. Please come here and accept your tokens. First, Team Red. This is from Nutridor Abevia. It adds goodness to life. Lovely hampers for you and for your brother. I'm saying bye to this LED smart TV, 55 inches of pure pleasure, watching and viewing pleasure. Cricket that you can watch together and your whole family. This is for you, but it's going away from me. So sad and happy moment. Well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done.
Thank you.
And don't forget, you get the trophy of champion of this episode as well. I'll give it to the lady.
Yes.
Now smile and wave to the fans. Arey, wo fans nahi hai. Look, that's one fan. He also works here. There's one more fan. That's actually he's not a fan. He's more like just a piece of wood. Doesn't do anything.